Colors of Festivity 3.0 at Almira Gallery.
It's a one-day show from 10:30 to 7:30.
कलेक्शन में उनके पास मेंस वेयर ब्यूटीफुल वेराइटी ऑफ चनिया चोली क्यूट किड्स वेयर एंड टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट इट ऑल दे हैव ब्यूटीफुल ज्वेलरी के ऑप्शंस विद सम वेरी ब्यूटीफुल साड़ीज एंड ड्रेस मटेरियल्स एज वेल सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर वन डे ओनली स्वाइप लेफ्ट टू चेक आउट द कलेक्शन
Hi, my name is Devanshi. This is my brand Inara. We're at Armina Gallery to do options like these.
yes very pretty they also have juda options along with that they have
Brass based jewelry.
okay
It has 20% silver in it.
पूरा लॉन्ग में कलेक्शन है उनके पास then they have these choker style as well
In German silver.
German silver पूरा
Some Afghani pieces as well.
yes
Like these.
very pretty kadas beautiful rings option look at that
Hi, I'm Dipali Shah. My brand name is Dipali Shah. I have kids wear collection
okay
and pure handloom, pure crepe, bandage,
okay
shibori. All are pure cotton.
okay how cute
Kalamkari, soft silk.
okay
This is my double lefa and pure fabric है.
Okay.
ये kids friendly fabric है.
okay this is majestic threads look at that they have beautiful
40-meter flare chaniya
oh
in
wow
one cotton.
it's a
And we have this
40 meter
contrast
flare
dupatta.
chaniya
Then we have something in pure ajrak
okay
with this tie-dye dupatta.
okay
Something in pastel colors.
okay
We also have only chaniyas available in the pastel colors.
all right
Yeah.
they also have men's wear so I've seen
Yeah.
that as well
This is something like kurta sets for the men.
okay very
These kind of
Nice.
jackets
Cool.
we have
okay
with blouses and without blouses.
wow all right along with that they have beautiful options of a lot of dupattas as you can see very pretty
These are the dupatta options.
okay
These all are the kachi blouses and separate blouses available.
this is brand Ashi's creation hello
Hello. So here we are with some chaniya cholis.
okay and the USP of their चनिया चोलीज कि उनके चनिया चोली में पॉकेट्स भी हैं
We do have pockets in our chaniya choli.
दे हैव ब्यूटीफुल लाइट वेट चनिया चोली तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यू वेयर अ ब्लाउज सम एक्सेसरीज एंड यू आर गुड टू गो एंड बहुत सारे कलर्स हैं
And this is a 15-meter flare.
15 मीटर फ्लेयर के साथ है
And जो मैं पहन रही हूँ वो खादी कॉटन में है.
ओके
So you can wear it in comfortable.
लवली सो खादी कॉटन में मिल जाएंगे वेरी प्रिटी लुक एट दैट यू कैन मिक्स एंड मैच आई थिंक दैट इज द बेस्ट कि आप अपने हिसाब से मिक्स एंड मैच करके पहन सको सो दुपट्टा है ब्लाउजेज हैं उनके पास लुक एट दैट ब्यूटिफुल मिरर डिटेलिंग ब्लाउजेज वेरी प्रिटी along with some very beautifully handcrafted bangles so this is brand Vastra Vibes hello ma'am
Yeah, hello. So I got some blouses in ginka.
okay blouses in kinqua look at that
In kachi.
Kachi also very pretty brocade as well
Vintage.
vintage
And lumpy.
lumpy so all trendy blouses with them
Sleeveless options.
sleeveless
with
में भी
kachi.
options हैं beautiful
Area.
lovely okay
These are only chaniyas.
ओके ओनली चनियाज में भी उनके पास ऑप्शंस हैं बहुत सुंदर वेरी प्रिटी
These are the pairs.
एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट उनके पास सेट ऑप्शंस भी हैं विच आर वेरी ब्यूटिफुल द कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस आर ऑल्सो वेरी प्रिटी लुक एट दैट
These are only
ब्यूटिफुल
dupattas.
एंड ओनली दुपट्टास एज वेल
Hello, my brand name is Prismatic Jewels. We have German silver jewelry and daily wear jewelry.
Okay.
yes so they are beautiful delicate everyday routine में अगर आपको कुछ पहनना है beautiful neck pieces they have some statement pieces if you are a bride or if you're looking for some statement pieces for Navratri as well में भी बहुत सारे options हैं they have these tight choker options look at that Beautiful pieces yet again. Very pretty. They also have hair accessories, juda options, some very pretty bags. Look at that, and then earrings. This is brand Couture by Mythica and they have beautiful collection of set options जो आप versatile way में use कर Blouses, they have chanias and collection. Very pretty. Lovely. Look at that. So this is brand Niyati Fabrics and she has brought beautiful saris and dress materials for us.
So these are pure Tanchoi saris purely from Banaras.
Okay.
These are all customized, handmade, handloom saris.
Okay.
So we have some on tissues on the Karwa Buttas.
Okay.
Then we have Kota Doria tissue. Then we have some Kanjivarams that are for regular wears.
Beautiful. Kanjivaram. Lovely.
So we even have options in Selas that used to have those vintage saris that our moms used to wear.
Yes.
And they are revamped,
And I feel saris are evergreen.
evergreen.
Right.
Yes. Something like these.
Beautiful. Lovely. And
Then-
they also have, yes ma'am.
Then we have these pure chanderi and linen cottons dresses.
Okay.
These are all flat 40% off. We have
Okay.
limited pieces in them. And there are few dupattas, pure Banarasi dupattas that are for 2000 only.
Wow, look at all that flat 40%. This is brand Dhage by Ras and let's check out their beautiful collection. Yes ma'am.
Hi, good morning.
Yes.
I'm Rutvi Thakkar from Dhage Baira.
Okay.
Chanya Choli.
Okay, silk based chanya.
Very lightweight and muslin based Chanya Choli.
Okay.
Kukri and 15 to 16 meter ghera.
Okay.
Color options.
Okay. Okay. All right. Yes, look at that. Dupatta ke saath. Very pretty. Okay. Wow. So that's also very beautiful. अगर आपको festive में कुछ जाना है, then you can go for that as well. Very pretty. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is brand Mav's Lifestyle and they have brought some very pretty chanya choli options.
This is a Chand collection.
This is their Chand collection.
This is a 40 kali lehenga with
Okay.
khatkam dupatta that can be customized too.
Very pretty.
We are having colors in it.
Okay.
And all the lehengas are having pockets with zip.
Yes. So don't forget that.
So there are lot many colors and all rest colors can be customized too.
Okay.
And then there is this crushed chanya. This 20 kali lehenga.
Okay.
20 meter beard, sorry. Something of this kind.
Very pretty.
Let me get you through the blouses quickly.
Okay. Look at that.
All blouses can be customized as per your requirement too.
Okay. Very pretty. And they have dupattas as well. Lovely. This is brand Zen
Hi
Sparrow.
everyone. So we have કાપડા જે મેં પહેર્યા છે ટાઈપના શોર્ટ્સ બહુ જ બધા કલર્સ છે કોમ્બિનેશન
Okay.
છે વી હેવ લોંગ કાપડા એઝ વેલ મોસ્ટલી બધી સાઇઝીસ છે એક્સેલ સુધી
Okay.
દેન વી હેવ સ્માર્ટ ટેસ્ટ બ્લાઉઝીસ
Very pretty. જે બહુ versatile બી છે.
આફ્ટર
Yes.
વેડિંગ આફ્ટર નવરાત્રી વેડિંગમાં બી યુઝ કરી શકો છો
Okay.
યસ see this
Okay.
then we have all the collection of dupattas જે મેં
Yes.
પહેર્યા છે ટાઈપના બાંધણીમાં છે
એની
We
પાસે
have
બહુ જ beautiful
કચ્છી
collection છે
पैच
દુપટ્ટાનું.
वर्क वाला दुपट्टा एज वेल
Okay.
बॉर्डर वाला दुपट्टा विथ कच्छी बहुत बड़ा प्लेन दुपट्टास भी है
Okay.
एंड विंटेज दुपट्टा वी हैव दिस कलेक्शन ऑफ चनिया मैं પહેર્યો છે એમાં આ બધા કલર્સ છે
Okay.
वी हैव सम क्रश एज वेल બહુ જ બધા કલર્સ છે
Very
Whites
pretty.
છે वी हैव सम पेयर एज वेल
Set
અને
option
ગજીમાં
બી
भी
છે.
ચનિયા છે
Right. Beautiful. I think 1 minute is not enough to show their
yes
entire
we have some long
collection.
blouse as well
Look at that.